Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe. I'm reviewing gold again. So as you can see today we got a reaction of that zone there, and now we saw price stepping into this out of the zone here. It also caused a change of character. I don't know if the zone will hold to push price back up, or if price will continue to fall down. So essentially taking out this liquidity below here and that liquidity there. But I think because of the news that's coming up tomorrow, price is actually playing within this range. You can see just taking liquidity, playing in and outside of the range. So it might trade back up, trade back down to eventually crumble to this point here with the CPI numbers coming up. So but we'll see. I'm still bearish on this. I still believe that the market is going to go down because of the bearish trend that's still intact. You can see a break of structure highs. We got your 4H time frame. We haven't seen a break of structure highs. It was the high that caused this low. So as long as that is still intact, we are still bearish in this market.